Yeah. To all those ladies out there, even if Canadians, Americans, Chinese, Japanese, Jamaicans, Samoans, Puerto Ricans, Latinas, Latinos, all those Dominicans, yeah, English girls, British girls, all those hot girls. To all those gentlemen out there, even if they're from Canada, America, Jamaica, England, and all those gentlemen all over the world, 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 all over the world.
Tell me what's up, how you feel, fit to good, is there a problem? Sometimes people had HIV problems, other people survived in the hospital. They will be recovered as soon as possible. Had some molecules busting my eyes, so weird. There's a huge transparency, completely disappeared. I made my promise to the people to have respect. Just like Galio, I never forget their request. Making a hip-hop is definitely my dream in a certain way. That's why I can dedicate to the beat. In this future, I can get money every day. I'm gonna prove I steal them all day, like I'm still gonna lose. I'm always being lazy like a couch potato. I'm also eating lettuce and tomato. I have to keep flowing to talking to you. I'm just an only person who's the boy of truth. Hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, tell me what's up. Hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, tell me what's up. Hey yo, tell me what's up. Two men are fighting each other, they're the team of the rival. They kept fighting in position during the force of survival. It's like my mind, buffalo soldiers, straight like Rasta. Somewhere in Italy, the chef serving up the pasta. I've been in high school, I got a lot of certificates. Being bisexual could be very promiscuous. The nigga says that enough of that shit. The people who are working there, they said I quit. But the boss says you're fired, the workers get no paycheck. Therefore I can't afford the house with the rain check. Day after day I love feeling the warmth of the sunrise. Night after night, I love seeing the bright of the moonlight. Heard lots of busy crowds downtown, they kept beeping. When they're driving their car, they start shouting and screaming. While they're mad at each other, they usually fed up. I wanna say all you and T-Dot, tell me what's up. Hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, tell me what's up. Hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, tell me what's up. Hey yo, tell me what's up. There's the police out there, they have guns, matching nightsticks and handcuffs to serve and protect. It's a nice lick, there goes the thugs, like they're intruding. To kill these people, it's like a nightclub shooting. If you're under 18, don't go to nightclub. If you're under age of 21, don't go to nightclub. Stand with your mom, stand with your dad. But don't worry yo, be happy, just be glad. To be in safety, you can play PlayStation same page. You can talk to me online on the website, just like sending me an email can't get you out of my sight. Hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, tell me what's up. Hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, hey yo, tell me what's up. Yo, tell me what's up. Hey yo, tell me what's up. You can't fight me, you can't destroy me, you can't bite me, you can't annoy me if you wanna slaughter me. Yeah, that's fine, but you had a lot of sins in your mind. Cowsucker, being a psycho, and you are a freak. I'm being tougher, and I got stronger every week. Keep your eyes on me, and you can see the truth. But guess what? You lose your strength, you lose your proof. I'm over 9,000, and you are dead. You cannot cut me into shreds. I will never give up with my fist. Punch your lights out. You lost your soldiers and you lost your scouts. I'm the number one when it's gonna get tough. Between soft and dangerous, the time gets rough. And I'll be coming right into your town. You know what I mean? You're going down. Round 1, I'm tougher than you will never be. Round 2, you wanna stand up? Come and face me. Round 3, I'm faster than you will never be. Round 4, if you want me, come and battle me. Round 1, I'm tougher than you will never be. Round 2, you wanna stand up? Come and face me. Round 3, I'm faster than you will never be. Round 4, if you want me, come and battle me. Yo, if I knock you off the top, and I'm gonna be your king. Now bow down to me, right in the ring. When I be your champ, I'm gonna conquer the world. But I'm undefeated from the Earl. So do you think you're special? No, you're not. I'm mightiest than you. You're off the spot. You can't fight me in the war, in the battlefield. Now hit the gym, boy. This is how you feel. Then eat something healthier. It's good for you. I will be your god. There's nothing you can do. Hit you left and right. I'm the warrior spirit. I'm the light to the darkness, and you will fear it. I'm an ally to good. Nightmare to you. You have a dream. Which nightmares come true? The fact of the matter is, I will never give up. I will win the title belt, and I will win my cup. Round 1, I'm tougher than you will never be. Round 2, you wanna stand up? Come and face me. Round 3, I'm faster than you will never be. Round 4, if you want me, come and battle me. Round 1, I'm tougher than you will never be. Round 2, you wanna stand up? Come and face me. Round 3, I'm faster than you will never be. Round 4, if you want me, come and battle me. Fight you to the finish that you can't survive. I will put you to the end with my life so I can stay alive. Just like the Bee Gees, just like Barry Gibb, it's way too easy. I can't let you live and have a score to settle. I'm the last man standing, like a gold medal. As you can see, I like living it up to the hype. But being a weakest link is not my type. Everyone else will hail my name. I'm tired of your mercy. I'm sick of your games. There's no way you're gonna shoot me, nigga. If you break the rules when you're pulling a trigger, I'm sick and tired of fighting. Go home, be my fan. Be a home man, is your destiny in your hand. I'm unbeatable, 10 seconds up. You lose. You have no money, and I'm going on the cruise. Round 1, I'm tougher than you will never be. Round 2, you wanna stand up? Come and face me. Round 3, I'm faster than you will never be. Round 4, if you want me, come and battle me. Round 1, I'm tougher than you will never be. Round 2, you wanna stand up? Come and face me. Round 3, I'm faster than you will never be. Round 4, if you want me, come and battle me.
My name is Pertario, and what the heck? I want a gold miner with a Grandmaster Black. You better step off between eight friends. I move it all up like a Jefferson. Then I lift up 355 pound. Now I lift up 380 pound. I am the real House of Pain. Pertario is my rap name. Long hair girls taste like raspberry. Short hair girls taste like cherry. I like to play a gambling game. Rap and hip hop is the name of the game. You don't scare me, no, no, no. I'm not phony, but you just, whoa. Word!
Lost my mind when I was making you angry. I went crazy when I was understood and be a pansy. I'm so sorry for being such a drag around, but I have a happy face, even upside down. There's a lot of fishes in the ocean when I'm being a fool. I know a long time ago, since we're in high school, I saw on the school bus when I was 16 years old, and you're a friendly girl. At the age of 13 years old, when the doves cry, I felt really sad. But I'm the only person that makes you glad and make you so happy during hanging out. We can be happy together, we can work things out. I wouldn't be losing my trust, just like I promised. I saw you wore pants and the jacket called Wamis. With my respect, I don't wanna make you mad and cry. The little thing I do is, I'll give it one more try. One more try. We can talk wall to wall, that make things great. We can talk on the phone, which I can't wait. I wouldn't be count on it, no matter what. I will do my thing, and I believe I can fly. I can relax in A dot, and you'll enjoy an S dot. But that's okay, we know we are living in T dot. We are both Canadians who are living in the city, and their city hall, community, and committee. We can take time each other, we relax when we're splitting. We know we were best friends, like we were standing and sitting. We spoke around and laughed each other in the same time. When I was being nice to you, and you're the one of the kind. Right now I know you hate me, I know you don't want to talk to me. But I know what the heck is going on with me. With my respect, I don't want to make you mad and cry. The little thing I do is, I'll give it one more try. One more try. With my broken promise, I was being so dumb. My feelings gone crazy, but my life has gone numb. I left you alone and respect your wishes, so our friendship turns from hitches to ditches. I wasn't trying to yell at you, I wasn't trying to be so angry at you. I was your only chance, as if I could turn to. Therefore I lost my cool, and I lost my trust. I'm the one single person who has a lust. I will promise you that I can make things right. Your mom and dad, they are very delight. Our way is goodbye, so it's to comprehend. I hope that we can be friends. Again and again, I won't be so rude and jealous, but with my sad eyes, I won't make lies. Please come back to me, I want to apologize. With my respect, I don't want to make you mad and cry. The better thing we do is, we'll give it one more try. One more try. This is dedicated to you, to make you better. And it wasn't hard for me to explain. It wasn't hard for me to try. I won't lie to you. I want to see you. I want to come back to you. And I want to say to you, once that day I moved to another city. I lost my wife and kids from my old city. I was sad, I turned into single. It was my new town. I dated my white girl into mingle. All the time she and I been a best friends. We are loved from the beginning to the end, but she is fine. I love her and kissed her. Our lives never split apart. Like a blister, we hung on each other. Into the restaurant, we want our food to eat. That's what we want in this day, but she is my future wife. I would never lose her out of my life. When I have her, I didn't want to go out with another woman, but she smells so sweet like honey and cinnamon. The best way I keep that she can be, I just hope that she can do is stay with me. I chose her better, that's the way I do. The one way I discovered about her I ever knew. None of her consequences are between for the dignity. The certain part, it depends. From simplicity, she doesn't know what is in her mind. I believe what she's saying, but she's so cute and fine. She knows what to think, she has some personal traits. I wanted her to be my dream and my soulmate. She's my Venus, she's my fire. She's my secret admirer and she's my desire. She's like a red flower to me, but she is like a nature that she would be. If I could be her best friend, I believe in her spirit. I bought plenty of food, I would be so happy to share it. She and I would never tear each other apart. I'll keep her forever. I love one girl in my heart. We played outside, and we have some fun. We were running around under the sun. We laughed with each other for our fulfillment, and we talked about our romance. It's full brilliant, man. It keeps my heart getting into trace. If I'm looking her eyes, I can see her face. She's so beautiful to me. She's making me blush. We can take our time and there is no rush. Once upon a time there was between me and my girl. Therefore she is my sweetest girl in the world. If I be with her, I can stand by her side. We enjoyed our lifetime from the far side. She and I are athletic. We are powerfully strong. There is no body ache. Nothing's wrong. We can be together. We can get closer to our hearts. But I love one girl in my heart.
Well, I want to sing you a song. You know, sing you a song so I can do that. Speak to you, maybe, as well. Okay, now, I want to sing you a song called If You're Happy, If You Know It, Clap Your Hands. Now, listen. If you motherfuckers know it, clap your hands. If you motherfuckers know it, clap your hands. If you motherfuckers know it, if you really wanna show it. If you motherfuckers know it, clap your hands. If you niggas, if you know it, stomp your feet. If you niggas, if you know it, stomp your feet. If you niggas, if you know it, if you really wanna show it. If you niggas, if you know it, stomp your feet. If you bitches, if you know it, cry the who. If you bitches, if you know it, cry the who. If you bitches, if you know it, if you really wanna show it. If you bitches, if you know it, cry the who. If you shit fuckers know it, shout hooray. If you shit fuckers know it, shout hooray. If you shit fuckers know it, if you really wanna show it. If you shit fuckers know it, shout hooray. Yo, the way of deliverance is like a get out of jail free card. It shall make you understand that you won't be barred. Now if an ex-con, you need to go home with your family. If your house has been destroyed into the worst calamity, Get yourself a better place, it's like a Taj Mahal. Heal the world, it's like a one day after all. The question is, what the f have I asked so many questions? I was being like a judge, all rise, the court is now in sessions. Obliviously like a bird to the sky. Additionally, big boys and girls don't even cry. After the man's in jail, he deserves in probation. Saying the word I love you, it's a happiness quotation. Smell of breathtaking if I go to the wilderness, it's a forest. But I told a man I don't know the woman named Dolores. Hitting up the tune when I listen to my ears. The curved road to the dead end is like stopping the rears.
The way of deliverance. The way of deliverance. The way of deliverance. The way.
Praying to God in church is changing your life. Being religious is really important for your life. See all the creatures in the farm and the wildlife. If you have your woman, let her be your wife. While you're hungry, you may buy something to eat. Eating hamburger or sandwiches are some sort of your treat. After you read the book or newspaper, let your words get into your mind. Rap and hip-hop are the most musical kind. Listening to the music is setting you free. You shouldn't listen to the who are saying it self-cursingly. Backing up the music from Elvis Presley. Don't sniff a coke and don't take too many ecstasy. Be clean, do the right thing and have a rehab. Get away from the devil, that the devil is an evil crap. As a matter of fact, we were born in a sin. The way of deliverance will make us clean and be innocent.
The way of deliverance. 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 The way of deliverance.
Think and repent while we have to confess. We don't have to be panicked, we're not under stress. Our Lord is our hero, He's not very mean. He will cleanse our sins and then we are clean. We are the good people around the world. All the people that they can see, the boys and the girls. Heaven helps the streets and the cities. There's some birds, flowers and butterflies are so pretty. While you're clean, you need to get a job and get money. If you're helpless, need a job coach, honey. He or she can find the way for you. Go to work, it's just like go to school. It's true, watching TV and play video game are hopeless. Work and learning hard before you get bonus. Intellectually, since you can talk to the residents. If you have a strong mind, but you will be the president.
The way of deliverance. 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 The way of deliverance.
I'm a nobody. It's just only me and myself. No one's fucking with me. They treat me like garbage. I'm sort of piece of shit. I'm a slub off the tarnish. I scooted up. I was being an evil. If I'm being myself, I don't bother no people. Fuck the jealousy. Fuck being rude. I'm a huge loser. I don't talk to anybody, dude. Being a bully is not my very option. As the rhymer, I don't talk about the volcano eruption. I'm out of my mind. I was speaking like a I don't speak any further. When I'm single, I'm nobody's boyfriend. Simply as I know it, I have enjoyed in the world's end. When I'm in a bad way, I'm being like Maury Bench's Hydro Man. But the girl who's flirtatiously enough to another man and play video arcade games on my computer, and additionally so am I. I'm a fucking loser. I'm a nobody. Nobody's fucking with me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's talking to me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's loving me, but I'm a nobody. Sometimes they're just hating me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's fucking with me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's speaking to me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's loving me, but I'm a nobody. Sometimes you're just hating me. Every day and every night, been told and every time, and I got no manners. It's not a crime. I misbehave at school when I was a child. Unfortunately, I hit my best friend in the nose. It's a bad wild, I hate what I did. Murdering anybody is bullshit, but the next thing I know is to do is stopping it. I wish myself to be a good person in my eyes, and I would likely wish to be friends with girls and guys. I was trying to find a girl online, she's just hating me. I felt ignored, being so lonely, no one's loving me. So much girls are being mean to me online and meet me. They are not very nice, who are starting to treat me. I gave up on dating site, I'm a motherfucking poor soul. I'm autistic, nigga. My life is like a lump of coal. The people don't understand, they lost their mind. Some way they glared at me, but they are not very kind. I'm a nobody. Nobody's fucking with me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's talking to me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's loving me, but I'm a nobody. Sometimes they're just hating me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's fucking with me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's speaking to me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's loving me, but I'm a nobody. Sometimes you're just hating me. I got no job. I don't have so much money. I'm not joking. It's not even funny. I made my resume just for me. I don't give a fuck, man. Nobody's hiring me. I screwed up big time. I was being late every day. I forced my ex-friend on the phone. It's not my day. I'm not a something. I'm a nothing. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not bluffing. I'm a nobody. Nobody's fucking with me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's talking to me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's loving me, but I'm a nobody. Sometimes they're just hating me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's fucking with me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's speaking to me. I'm a nobody. Nobody's loving me, but I'm a nobody. Sometimes you're just hating me. Is there something I should know? I don't know why. What's going on? I have no idea. Yo, I want to ask you a question. And I really want to know. The question is there something I should know? Someone hates me. No one's answering me. But my question is there something I should know? Someone says smithering, but I don't know. But I want to say, is there something I should know? My dream is reality, but I don't get it. Someone tell me please. Is there something I should know? Is there something I should know? It means big, but I don't know how size it is. Go fix. Is there something I should know? It means huge. If I need your help, I can take a refuge. Is there something I should know? Is a quote by Lois Lane. After all, Batman is in serious pain. The Joker rewired the robot called XT7. It can't kill Batman into heaven. My nigga asks me a question, why do I dress up like a bum? I'm not a crackhead, I don't drink Jamaican rum. Fuck drunk addiction, I can't go for that. Lots of gang niggas are having guns and bats. Olivia Newton-John and Peter Frampton will not die. I'm not stupid, spontaneous guy. The city's been destroyed, who can rebuild this? Is there something I should know? You have to say something about this. I wanna ask you a question, and I really wanna know.
The question is
there something I should know?
someone hates me. No one's answering me, but my question is
there something I should know?
someone says smithering, but I don't know. But I wanna say
there something I should know?
my dream is reality, but I don't get it. Someone tell me please.
there something I should know?
I will let you know. Pertario, motherfucker. The city will be turning back to normal. I'm not a sucker. I'm with my girl at her home every Friday and every weekend, Saturday and Sunday. It was my day. Trust me, police is under control. That's the truth that I've been told. There are no shits, but there are no issues. The cops will wipe off the problem, wipe your tears with a tissue. I'm your only brother who is 1 month younger than you. Ruthless aggression is the worst attitude. Be at peace. Be with yourself. Be like a homeboy and try to be wealth. Try to understand, to be calm, be easy. Sit down, drink water, eat pizza and cheesies. Don't be so anxious, be happy, bro. Take my advice like I told you so. I wanna ask you a question, and I really wanna know. The question is
there something I should know?
someone hates me. No one's answering me, but my question is
there something I should know?
someone says smithering, but I don't know. But I wanna say
there something I should know?
my dream is reality, but I don't get it. Someone tell me please.
there something I should know?
You're asking me? You're asking one-eyed poppin'. I am busy reading comic book of Spider-Man vs. Green Goblin. Nigga, you're going on and on. I'm a one from the planet Earth, a phenomenon. I'm 29 years old. I'm not wise in wisdom. I was December 8-9, you're not a victim. When I were you, I'm taking care of my wife. I was being a mercenary in the pride of strife. I was a veteran, it makes me strong. So I charged and fight, hard and long. You mean long and hard? Don't interrupt me. I was trying to help you. Don't even try to fuck me. In that case, nigga, you're getting on my nerves. When I'm trying to help you, you'll never be deserved. Thank you for correcting me when I was wrong. I'm going home, goodbye. I want to ask you a question, and I really want to know. The question is
there something I should know?
someone hates me. No one's answering me, but my question is
there something I should know?
someone says smithering, but I don't know. But I want to say
there something I should know?
my dream is reality, but I don't get it. Someone tell me please.
there something I should know?
It's a freestyle. Check me out. This is the last thing I do. I want to explain. I've been settled down in the subway train. I reached to T-Dot when I was watching wrestling. This is not a secret, it's not interesting, believe it or not. The wise man tells me the story. If I bumped into somebody and then I said I'm sorry, some crab and fish are just living on the beach. I did stretch and I could reach. I keep on rapping just like fighting Kanshiro. In Canada, I would be a hip-hop hero. Tell me what's up when I said hello to anybody. When I was a toddler, I didn't use the potty. I was talking about, oh shit, how could I say that? I shouldn't say to mine, I can't relate to that. It's to be continued, outrunning my mouth. I'm rocking through the exit, that's it, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out, yo. I'm out. I'm out till I return.